Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Sony cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sony Alpha 7 IV full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. The Sony Alpha 7 IV isn't just the best Sony Alpha camera we've tested, it's one of the best cameras we've tested, period. This enthusiast-oriented hybrid camera features a 33-megapixel sensor with plenty of dynamic range and boasts one of the best autofocus systems of its class. That makes it a great fit for faster subjects, with respectably quick burst shooting, although it slows down considerably if you shoot uncompressed RAW files. That aside, the Alpha 7 IV is also a video powerhouse, with 4K recording at 60 FPS, albeit with a crop, no recording time limits, and internal 10-bit 2:2 color depth to capture everything from cinematic footage to slow-motion action. Aside from being well-suited to a wide range of photo and video styles, the camera is also built to last, with a sturdy weather-sealed body, a fully articulated touchscreen, and a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, EVF, that gives you a crisp view of your subject. Not to mention dual memory card slots, one of which supports faster CF Express cards and all the ports you need for video peripherals. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sony Alpha 7C2 full-frame interchangeable lens camera. If the Sony Alpha 7 IV sounds like everything you've ever dreamed of in a camera, except you prefer a more compact camera body, then the Sony Alpha 7 C2 is just for you. Sony's compact full-frame model is like a condensed version of the regular Alpha 7. The Alpha 7C2 uses the exact same 33-megapixel sensor as the Alpha 7 IV, but with a body that's closer in size to APS-C models like the Sony Alpha 6700 below. That's no small feat, especially since it still comes with in-body image stabilization, IBIS, an EVF, and a fully articulated screen. Of course, that compact size comes with some trade-offs. The aforementioned EVF is uncomfortably small compared to the one on the Alpha 7 IV, and the Alpha 7C2 has just a single SD card slot, which may be a deal-breaker for some. But on the upside, it features a new AI-powered processing unit that further improves the camera's autofocus and subject detection capabilities. Ultimately, this is the best Sony camera for photography if you want something more portable. At number 3, we have the Sony Alpha A6400 mirrorless camera. If you want to save even more money, the older APS-C Alpha lineup is a great middle ground option for those who still want a versatile entry-level camera, but don't have the budget for a Sony Alpha 6700. The Sony Alpha 6400 is the true middle-of-the-road option, sitting between the pricier Sony Alpha 6600 and the more beginner-oriented Sony Alpha 6100. The Alpha 6400 doesn't have built-in image stabilization like the Alpha 6600, but it has a higher resolution viewfinder and sturdier body than the Alpha 6100, offering a good balance of features and price. These cameras have begun to show their age, with more dated video features than the Alpha 6700 above. However, you can still get amazing photos out of them, especially when paired with high-quality lenses. They're also still perfectly suitable for more casual video work and vlogging, on top of being quite portable. So despite an outdated menu system and lackluster ergonomics, the Alpha 6400 still holds its own in an evolving camera market. At number 2, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 APS-C interchangeable lens mirrorless vlog camera. The Sony ZV-E10 is the best budget model in Sony's camera lineup, While it's designed with vloggers in mind, it's an excellent value camera that works well for photography too, as long as you don't mind giving up a viewfinder. It uses a similar sensor to the Sony Alpha 6400 above, and adds a fully articulated screen that makes it easier to monitor yourself while recording or taking selfies. Other additions include a better internal microphone and a headphone jack. While it's geared toward video, it's just as capable in the photo department as its Alpha siblings. It has great overall image quality and quick burst shooting, and its battery life is also excellent. The autofocus is less reliable here than on higher-end Sony cameras, but it's still very effective overall. Ultimately, if you can live without a viewfinder, this is a great budget option that's well suited to both vloggers and beginner photographers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E1 full-frame interchangeable lens mirrorless vlog camera. The Sony ZV-E1 is basically a one-stop shop for vloggers and content creators. While other brands have started to branch out into producing vlog-centric cameras, Sony is the first to release a dedicated vlogging camera with a full-frame sensor. Although it comes with a price tag to match, this camera is made to appeal to the lone wolf YouTuber, with useful AI-enabled framing and autofocus assistance features that are great for single-camera operators. Beyond that, it borrows its sensor from the high-end Sony Alpha 7S III and performs incredibly well in low light. It also features APS-C, a solid internal directional mic, internal 10-bit 2:2 recording, and a wealth of picture profiles and codecs. It's the best Sony camera for video if you're looking for a compact vlogging workhorse. If you aren't looking to make a career on YouTube, however, the Sony ZV-E10 II, the follow-up to our budget pick above, is a great cheaper alternative. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.